Product differentiation sucks, okay? It doesn't matter what platform you're selling on. It sucks. It's tough. Or is it? You know what? Let's talk about it because maybe it's not as bad as you think it is. Let's go. All right, what's up, guys? Kyle here with No Tie Required. As always, we are on here weekly giving you the gold, man. We are giving you everything that we possibly can to help you with e-commerce, with retail sales, with brick and mortar, whatever you want to call it, marketing. It doesn't matter, okay, guys? We are here every week trying to give you as much information as we possibly can. Here's the other thing. First off, throw us a like, throw us a comment, subscribe to the channel. Don't even think about subscribing. Just subscribe, please. Come on, we're giving you everything we can. But, you know, moving forward, guys, look, we don't teleprompt anything. We don't plan a lot of this stuff out and everything. We go off the cuff, man. And I think that's what makes this really great. At least I think so. I think it makes it more fun. It makes it more spontaneous. You know what? We're not reading off of a teleprompter and everything is all robotic and, oh, you know, we gotta, it's this, and it's all structured. No, like, we have fun with it, okay? And you know what? Minimal, I don't know, whatever word works better for that, of edits as possible, okay? We want to get to the point for you guys, and we want to get it to you as quickly and as raw and effective as possible, okay? So let's talk differentiation, okay? First and foremost, we've talked in other videos about how to differentiate a product, how to find ways to maybe bundle, how to find ways to create better quality products by reading reviews, looking at other options in terms of bought together products that would go well with it. We're not going to rehash any of that. This one right here is going to be all about taking those ideas that we've already kind of learned and figured out how to do. How do we take those ideas and bring them to fruition? How do we decide if our suspicions about a product and how we can make it better are actually true? Because here's the thing, guys, I don't know if you know this, and I don't know that I'm 100% right, but I'm pretty sure I'm pretty right on this. What is it? 60% of the time it works every time? It's something like that, right? But we're human, okay? We want to be right about stuff, and we want to believe that whatever we think is the right way to do it. So guess what? We're biased towards our own thoughts, our own opinions, our own, you know, whatever. And there's nothing wrong with that. It makes us human. But guess what? In terms of trying to decide if what we're trying to do is the right move and is the right thing to do, you know, that doesn't leave us with a whole lot, because look, we're going to be biased towards whatever we think. And if we think that it's a great way to differentiate the product, we need to get outside opinions just to make sure on that before we decide to order a bunch of units of something that maybe is not a great idea, but we've convinced ourselves it's the right way to go. So what do? Well, first and foremost, you gotta smash that like button, right? And no, I'm just kidding. Well, no, seriously, smash that like button. But after that, we need to order samples, okay? We need to get a sample product of, it doesn't matter, guys, it does not matter if you're selling this on Etsy, if you're selling it on Amazon, if you're doing Shopify, whatever. You need to get competing products of people. And look, if you don't think that any of these, it doesn't matter if you're only selling on Walmart, if you think that you're not competing against people that are selling on Amazon, you are wrong. Okay, guys, buyers are getting smarter and smarter. They realize that there are millions of places, maybe not millions, but maybe there are, I don't know. But there's tons of places for them to buy these type of products, okay? So we have to stand out above the crowd and show them that we deserve to be the one that they purchase from, okay? That we have the best product, okay? How do we do that? Well, get a competing product. Find a big seller of that product, somebody with a lot of reviews, a lot of experience selling it, and a lot of sales history. You know, it's a bestseller or something like that. And get their product and see what it is that they are doing. Check the quality on it. What kind of packaging are they doing? What kind of shipping, depending on if it's being fulfilled, you know, by Amazon or Walmart, or maybe they're shipping themselves. How quickly are they getting it to the customer? Are they following up? Do they have a product insert, thank you card, any of that type of stuff? Because guys, this stuff all comes into play. And it's all, you know, just uber important that we make sure that we at least stack up against the top competition. We want to outdo them if we can, but we need to at least stack up against the top competitors to make sure that we can even be in the same ring as them, okay? Secondly, we need to get samples. No matter what people tell you, if they say, oh, you don't need samples, just order it. Guys, look, you know, don't just base it off from the picture and, oh, the supplier was really nice to me and they gave me a great deal. Well, there might be a reason why they gave you a great deal and they were really nice to you, because they want to get you to order that as quickly as you can and not ask questions, okay? So make sure that you're getting a sample all the time every time so that you can verify that that product is what you think it's going to be. And then we need to compare samples. We need to compare our samples with the competing product that we got. But don't just do it yourself. Guys, get outside help. And there's a few ways to do that. First and foremost, friends, family members, okay? Get them, get 10 of them, let's say, okay? Get 10 people minimum and have them test it out, okay? Make sure that you are taking, and I know you're probably thinking, well, they're going to be biased too. They're going to want whatever one you want because they're your friends, they're your family. They want to make you happy. Make sure that there is no way it's only distinguishable to you. You know which one is your product samples and you know which one is the competing product. You're the only one that knows that though, okay? Everybody else, make sure that there's no way that they know. Take all tags, labels, everything off from it, logos, everything, and have them go through and give their thoughts and opinions, okay? And what we're looking for is we're looking for like a 70% rate of people that like our product and would purchase our product if they were the ones buying, okay? It's exactly what I've done numerous times, and always looking for that big number, that 70% or higher, to really verify that we're on the right track, okay? So beyond that, let me show you a website. We're going to dive into my screen right now. All right, perfect. So we're in pickfood.com. And guys, as it says right here, this is basically a market feedback for business decisions. You are going to get feedback from real buyers in real time about what you are thinking about buying. So if you're thinking about differentiating based on size, color, style, pattern, functionality, bundling, a bundle that you really like, whatever it is that you're doing, they're going to give you feedback on here. You're going to basically create like a poll type of thing, and you're going to get feedback. And it's fairly inexpensive. I want to say, yeah, it starts at $50. We're not going to do one on here, unfortunately. I love you guys, but excuse me, we're not going to start a brand new poll on here. But it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple. They've got videos on here to show you how it works and everything. But that's it, guys. You're going to get unbiased opinions from complete strangers, but they are people who typically buy stuff online. So you want to hear them out because they might give you some very, very valuable feedback before you make the final purchase decision. So, guys, with that being said, look, that's the end of the video right here. I've got one more little tidbit of information that we're going to cover. But before that, guys, seriously, give us a comment. Let us know if you like this video, if you want to see more videos like this. Throw us a thumbs up if you're enjoying what you're seeing. And think about subscribing. Actually, again, don't even think about it. Just become a subscriber. It's not going to hurt you. It's free. And you're going to enjoy what we have. If you like what we're doing now, you're going to love what we have coming because we got a lot of stuff planned out and it's going to be awesome. Okay. So, guys, moving forward, though, differentiation is boiled down to really one main key, okay, and that's value. Make sure if you are differentiating a product, you are creating value, okay? There is always room in a market for a more valuable proposition for a customer, okay? Excuse me, do not differentiate on price. That is the big no-no. Don't differentiate on price. Don't just think, I'm going to go in with a cheaper price because, look, that doesn't help anybody. That's going to create price wars. That's going to create a race to the bottom of who can have the lowest priced option. And at the end, nobody makes money. Okay, you'll be out of business so fast your head will spin. Okay, so differentiate based on providing value. Even if you are a more expensive premium product, you want to differentiate to create value. And we've talked about it in other videos, having bundles and stuff like that where, you know what, they might be 10, 20 bucks more expensive than the next competing products. But you know what? They create more value because of everything that's included with that product. Higher quality products, there will always be room in the market for those type of things. Okay, so guys, that being said, that's all I got. We'll see you in the next one.